Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix you can change these settings with a parent on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Instagram account and it is not getting public and you are seeing the error, you can change these settings with parent Instagram. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method you can try is first you have to open your Instagram app. Just tap on your Instagram profile icon. After that, tap on these three horizontal lines. Here you will find account center. Tap on this. In this, under account setting, you will find personal details. Tap on that. Here you will find your date of birth. Just tap on the date of birth. If your age is under 18 or it is 18, then you have to just increase your age. Just tap on this edit. Just increase your age, because due to minor age you can face this type of issues. So after changing the date, just tap on this set and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then you can tap on add parent and you can add one of your friend whose age is around 20 or 22 or somewhat. No need to add your parent details, you can add your guardian or your friend. That's it guys. So in this way you can change these settings with a parent. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.